Before we depart, I would like our special guest, Mir Ali Ali Khan, to speak a few words to motivate students on this occasion.
Good evening. Adab. Assalamu alaikum. I am very pleased and feel honored that I am here today amongst the youngsters who have taken part in an essay writing competition. I am also pleased to see that it is not just one quote unquote community, but there are people from all communities here. This is a very healthy move which has been taken by the Youth Mirror, and I congratulate the organizers on this. Friends, one thing which we need or which we have learned in journalism and mass communication is to communicate, is to convey our ideas to the target audience. It could be an individual, it could be a group of people. How do we do that? Unfortunately, there is a slide in social sciences teaching and the language teaching in the entire country. When we talk, we don't know what we are talking, we are not coherent. We start with very incoherent ideas and we use words which do not convey any meaning. And the persons who are listening us, out of courtesy they clap. Out of courtesy they feel that you are a good person. Please evaluate yourself, please look at your own language carefully and critically before you speak. That means you start learning. When we are talking about essay writing, I would like to say one important thing, that again, communication is extremely important. If I am writing for Times of India, it does not mean that I should choose high-flown English to convey my ideas. I have been taught to use simple words, simple sentences, so that my readership, which comprises from 10th class matriculates to postgraduates to PhDs, they should all understand it. If possible, in your spoken English, also focus on accent. Don't carry the load of your regional language. If you are a Urdu speaker, you don't have to have the baggage of Urdu on your language. If you are a Telugu speaker, you don't have to have the baggage. See that what is the universally accepted accent. Don't get into the American or the British accent, again, with which you are not familiar. That is the spoken part. And in the writing part, always write small sentences. A sentence should not be more than 10 to 15 words. Somebody who writes a sentence of 35 to 40 words is complicating his language, is not conveying his idea properly. When you convey it in a complex manner, that means you are discouraging your reader, he will put it down. Would you tell me what was the subject of this essay writing operation?
It's the state of education in Telangana.
Okay. It's a very important subject. It's a new state, Telangana, and we need to start from the scratch. We need to understand. Unfortunately, I did not have the opportunity to go through any of your essays. I would have loved to see them. I would have loved to make a comment or two on those essays, and particularly those who have won prizes, like this boy whose father is known to be Sana. What's your name? Sanaullah. Sanaullah is son of a friend of mine, Moizuddin. I would have been very happy if I had seen a few samples. So friends, if you have any questions, you can ask me, or else I would stop here. The two things which I have said, please focus on learning the language. आप किसी भी ज़बान में बात करें, आपकी ज़बान में फ्लो होना चाहिए, आपकी ज़बान में एक्सेंट फ्री ज़बान बोलनी चाहिए आपको। आसान अल्फाज इस्तेमाल कीजिए बात करते वक्त। आप फ्लोड़ा में मत चले जाइए और बोलते वक्त में जब आपके बोलने में गैप आता है, हाँ, इसको अवॉइड कीजिए। आपका एंकर होना जरूरी नहीं है। You don't need to be an anchor to talk like an anchor. You can be a very common person, you can be a student, you can be anybody. And somebody was saying that he comes from a different stream and still he has participated in this. Language is key to all subjects. If you have to become a scientist, you have to know the language. If you do not know the language, you will not be able to convey your ideas. If you are an engineer, you have to know the language. So please, for every subject in your life, you need to have command over your language. So, if you have any questions, I am here to help you. Otherwise, there are other speakers, we will take care. Thank you very much.